Hello Accrisoft Freedom users! We have a lot of exciting new event registration features, and this video will show you how it all works. In your Freedom 7.0 website, go to the Events module and click Add a new event. You will see a list of fields available to fill out, which should look familiar. Also, notice the set of tabs at the top. Let's create a new event called Sarasota Trade Show. Now, you can switch to the next subtab named Tickets. Switching between subtabs will automatically apply any changes you have made. The Tickets subtab is where you can set up this event's sign-up forms. This button on the right allows you to set a limit for the total number of tickets available. This button below lets you add a new ticket form, allowing people to sign up for the event. Clicking on this button brings me to a form selection screen where you will see a default RSVP form. This form is located up here in the Ticket Forms tab. If you want to make more forms available, you can add them by switching to this tab. Selecting Standard RSVP will copy the form to the event you're working on. You can edit this form's fields by clicking Edit next to the form name. Now, you can see the fields that will be available for site visitors to fill out. You can add new fields or edit existing ones. You can also add form snippets, which will paste predefined sets of fields, such as all the fields you need to collect credit card information. Clicking on the Edit Form Configuration button, you can change the name of this form, set the start and end dates, and set the price for signing up. You can also edit the form's confirmation page and confirmation email like for any form in Freedom. You can view the new event sign-up form on the live website by clicking the Preview button. Once visitors enter in their information and click Submit, the visitor's attendee information will show up on the next subtab of the event called Attendees. Here, you can see all of the people who have signed up for the event. You can even add attendees manually from this screen. For example, if someone calls in and registers by phone. The last subtab is called Reports. From here, you can create custom reports to display information about the event and export this data. Clicking Add a new report, you can decide what information you want your report to display. Once the report is added, I can press the View button to see the results. That covers basic event registration. Now, we'll cover some of the more advanced features. Edit the event you just created and switch back to the Tickets tab. Now click Edit next to the ticket form that you added earlier. Within a ticket form, you can add options with an added cost. Do this by adding a new field and checking the box that says Include Price and Quantities in Options List. A dialog will display instructing how to list your options. These are comma-separated values, so you should insert your internal name, display name, price, and the number remaining. For example, if you only had 10 items available for option 1, you would put 10 for the last value of the line. Enter -1 if you would like the option to be unlimited. Viewing the form on the live site, you will see that the number remaining will go down for the options as more attendees choose those options. The price associated with each of these options will be added to the ticket price total. Another feature is early registration. When setting up the price by editing a form's configuration, you can set an early registration price and specify when this period ends. Finally, I'll show you how to create separate forms for members and non-members with different prices. In this case, we'll add a second RSVP form to this event. Copy the original ticket form and edit the new form's configuration. I'll give the members form a price of $10. To restrict this form to members only, I'll select a restriction from the Membership Access drop-down. These new features make it easier than ever to manage events on your website. For more information, view the help documentation by clicking the help icon within Freedom.